The windshield wipers in your vehicle are necessary in maintaining visibility when driving in the rain. Furthermore, having a reliable set of wiper blades make it easier to get rid of windshield dust and dirt upon activating the windshield washer. Note that the only wiper blades need replacing. You don't need to replace the entire wiper stock unless damage occurs from mishandling or accidents. In the Philippines, it's a good idea to replace the wiper blades before the rainy months of June to August. Harsh summer months from March to May will have degraded the rubber of your wiper blades, making them inadequate during heavy rain and inclement weather. Step 1. Raise the wipers from the windshield, making sure not to drop the wipers suddenly to avoid cracking the windshield glass. Step 2. Take the new wiper blade. Align the plastic tab with the hook at the end of the stock and push upward. If you hear a click, the wiper blades is secure. Step 3. Repeat the above steps for the other wiper blades in your car.